Exceptional verbs in Marathi which change in past tense form. By the rule for past tense, we append lo to verb to create its past tense form for I, that is first person singular. So I spoke is me bolalo. I laughed is me haslo. Here the form bolalo haslo is created as bol plus lo bolalo has plus lo haslo. But when we say I went, we say me gelo. Now verb here for to go is zane. So we should have said as za plus lo, that is zalo. But we did not say that. We appended suffix to ge to make it gelo. This is what I wanted to point out. The unusual behavior for few verbs. The verbs which change themselves before creating past tense form. As past tense form is base of many other tenses and phrases, it is important to know such forms and verbs. Below in the below table, I have given verb, the change verb on which suffix is to be applied, and a sentence in simple past tense. I will say verb in English, followed by verb in Marathi, then change verb to which suffix is to be applied, and a simple example with suffix la and an example. Do, करणे, के, केला. I did it. मी तो केला. Try, प्रयत्न करणे, प्रयत्न के, प्रयत्न केला. Tried learning French, फ्रेंच शिकायचा प्रयत्न केला. Give, देणे, दी, दिला. Gave pen, पेन दिले. Take, घेणे, घेत, घेतला. Took pen, पेन घेतले. Live, राहणे, राही, राहिला. Lived in city, मी शहरात राहिलो. See or watch or look, बघणे, बघित, बघितला. Saw notice, सूचना, बघितली. For see, watch, look, there is another verb, पाहणे. Its change form is pahi. So with suffix la, it can be pahila. Example, saw, notice, सूचना, पाहिली. Go, जाणे, गे, गेला. Went to market, बाजारात गेलो. Tell, सांगणे, सांगित, सांगितला. Told address, पत्ता सांगितला. To recite, म्हणणे, म्हट, म्हटला. Recited poem, कविता म्हटली. To sing, गाणे, गाय, गायला. Sang a song, गाणे गायले. To ask for, मागणे, मागित, मागितला. Asked for his pen, त्याचे पेन मागितले. To wash, धुणे, धुत, धुतला. Washed face, तोंड धुतले. To drink, पिणे, प्याय, प्यायला. Drank tea, चहा प्यायला. To eat, खाणे, खाल, खाल्ला. Ate bread, bread खाल्ला. To ask for, मागणे, मागित, मागितला. Asked for tea, चहा मागितला. To become, होणे, झा, झाला. Became rich, श्रीमंत झाला. To get, मिळणे, मिळा, मिळाला. Got work, काम मिळाले. To run, पळणे, पळा, पळाला. He ran fast, तो जोराने पळाला. Note, similar to try, there are many verbs in Marathi which are created using verb करणे. For example, व्यायाम करणे, आंघोळ करणे, etc. In all such verbs, the form of करणे will be created as per above rule, that is अंघोळ केली, व्यायाम केला, etc. Form for verb म्हणणे, the form can be created with normal verb as well. So म्हटला and म्हणला both forms are used. Thank you.